Hello, Evelyn Bailey here, and this is my official testimonial for the Journey to Rise program. It's been 10 months of since I began the journey. When I first came to the journey, I felt broken, to say the least. I had pains in my physical body, from my knees to my back to my wrists, which compromised basically all physical activities, including playing with my kids. It wasn't until I realized how frustrated and miserable and angry I was constantly. And it wasn't until then that I realized I really needed help. I needed help navigating my physical body so that I could feel good again. And I needed help navigating my mind because I felt myself deviating constantly in towards negative thoughts that often stemmed from just the sheer pain that I was feeling throughout my body, which caused me to compromise all kind of motivation just to do anything. And as a result of me, taking the leap into this journey, I can say that while every day is still a daily struggle and there's constant things that I'm faced with that will either compromise my emotions or my physical body, I'm happy to say that the result of me committing to this journey after 10 months is that I now go on jogs with my kids. We do push-ups, we play, we do all kinds of things that I just wasn't in the mood for. I was an angry bear before. I have no more heart palpitations from the anxiety that I felt before, from just the overall stressors of my daily life and my environment. And now I am completely able to focus on my dreams, focus on my kids, focus on our health, and focus on living a life that is fully abundant with the tools required for me to make sure I don't sabotage and to feel like I'm winning in life. My kids love it, I love it, I feel great, and I couldn't be happier to be focused on my dreams moving forward. Thank you, to Rosa Rago and the team, the Journey to Rise team. If you're on the edge and you're just not sure and you've felt that you've seen so many programs out there before and you just don't know what to decide, maybe this can be the push for you that you may need to decide. Because every time that you wait making a decision is a time that you could be walking towards the dream life that you actually that you deserve. So we'll see you on the other side. Thank you for your time. I've been blessed and my family couldn't be more thankful for the Journey to Rise program, and I hope to see you on the other side.